Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install VirtualBox guest editions onto your virtual machine. So what we first have to do is go into Chrome and search up VBox guest editions.iso all in one. Make sure you need to not add any spaces. Now do not click any of these two links. You want to scroll down and click this link right here. I'm going to put it in the description, so I'm just going to have a copy to be ready, and scroll down to the version 6. Let me just find it. 6.0.4. This one works the best for me. You can choose any version obviously you wanna. Just make sure you choose from the 6 range, 6 point something range. 6.0.4 works the best for me. It just doesn't really lag that much. So just once you've found 6.0.4, click on that. And make sure to download VBox guest editions. Do not download anything else. Now that you have downloaded the ISO, you want to close out of Chrome and boot up your virtual machine, log it into your account, do your thing. And what you want to do is you want to, oh by the way, just a quick mention, this will only work on VirtualBox. So yeah, go onto this little ISO icon right here, left click it, and click on choose a disk file. Wait for it to load, and go to where you store all of your ISOs and choose VBox guest editions. As you can see, I do have 6.0.4 as I said, so just click on that and click on open. It should be loaded into Windows XP soon, and it seems like my XP machine is lagging, and there you go. And it should load automatically, but if it doesn't load automatically and you don't get like a pop-up that says like autoplay or something, you want to go into start, go into my computer, go into VirtualBox guest editions, double click that, and the setup should start up. And again, in case of setup does not start up, you want to left click, or if the setup didn't start up, if you double click and it just went into there, and seems like my map is lagging, you will see this. And if you're on Windows XP and then you want to click VBox Windows, then you just want to click whichever one right here. Actually, these two will work, but this one will just work the best since the text which version you have, if it's x86 or x64, it will automatically detect that. So you want to just double click that, not on the name, just double click it, and then click on next. Click on next. You can have this on if you wanna, and there you go. See, so I'm just gonna click install, so it's gonna install all of this. Now the screen might go blank sometimes. It just really depends on, I don't really know. I don't know what it depends on. I know it depends on something. I've seen the video on how to do it, but I don't know what it depends on. I forgot. So this process right here is executing C program files, all this nice things. This might actually take a while. So what you can do here is just lay back. Make sure not to, at this process, move your mouse. I don't know why, but it just does not work after. I tried before. Trust me, I should know this. So I'm just gonna kind of lay back. I'm a little bit laid back in my chair right now, so yeah. I'm just gonna wait for this to continue. I don't know why it's just not why it doesn't really want to go on. But I just want it to really go on. Is it frozen? Is it even frozen? No, it's not. So I'm just gonna kind of exit the machine really slowly so nothing messes up. And when the installation will be done, I'm gonna be right back because we're gonna see the same thing anyways. So if you use a older version of Windows, like Windows XP or Vista, you will get this message. So you just want to click continue anyway. So after that, it'll just continue on. After that, you should get this little message. So just click on continue anyway, and this will not take too long anymore. But again, depends on the virtual machine and what OS you're using and the specifications and like the RAM and stuff they chose for it. So when you see these pop-ups, you know, you might get some of these pop-ups if something continuing away. And there you go. So now you have, you know, done this. So make sure you select to reboot now and then finish. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna click on machine, actually view full screen mode. So it's gonna, you know, kind of look better like that. It's not rebooting. So now we're just gonna wait for our virtual machine to boot up. This might take a while, this might not really take a while, depends again on what I really chose. I didn't choose too much RAM, I chose like 192 megs, so that's not much. I'm just fidgeting with random things on my desk because there's really nothing to do for us to wait until the machine boots up, so I'm just fidgeting with things around my desk. Currently I'm fidgeting with a USB port thing. It's a charger actually. So we're just gonna wait for it to finally boot up after a really long time. I just didn't want to do this thing. It's just really slow. Oh, there you go. It drew on it. Did you see that? Why is it doing this? That's not right. Oh, there you go. So after an automatic reboot, you should see that the screen resolution has gone up way more, and we don't really need that. So there you go. Yeah, whatever. It's like really laggy. So I'm just gonna go into properties and see if everything's set properly. Yep, it's good. So oh my god, this is so laggy. Okay, so I'm gonna revert back. I'm just gonna put more RAM on the machine because it's really laggy. Okay, so I've put more RAM in the machine, as you see. You know, VirtualBox Guest Editions is installed, so I'm just gonna put up into my account, and okay, that was way faster, so I'm just gonna click properties. Oh yeah, that's way better. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the highest. Can we set? Yeah, I can set a lower, but not. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's not how the screen resolution works, but okay. So it works fine. It works good. So yeah, that's how you install VirtualBox Guest Editions onto a virtual machine. That's not what we asked for, but that's how you install VirtualBox Guest Editions onto a virtual machine. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. I don't care. Bye.